Hi and welcome to Design, and well, it's just me and Andreas today, but well, we are Robert is just a little ill, so well, however, Andreas, you have something for us to listen to.
Yeah, I found this band a while ago, and it's a Swedish electronic band called Agent Sidegrinder, which of course is completely my thing because that's why I'm playing it. And I'm again very surprised that we have these kinds of bands in Sweden, and I just didn't know. And anyway, this is a song called Stripdown, and we can discuss it afterwards.
Yeah, will do. We have to say they have redesigned our streaming program, so if I push the wrong button, you know why. Okay, there we go, and yeah, okay, let's do this.
Strip it down.
Okay. Wow. Um,
Yeah,
wow.
flashback.
Yeah.
Uh,
Why?
Wow, it's such a fantastic flirt to 80s new wave and synth
Yeah.
at
Yeah. Yeah.
one
That
point.
that was kind of obvious. Obvious.
That's
You
very
know.
obvious. But also, this sounds very modern
Yeah.
sound-wise, and and the song is great. This is one of my favorite tracks at the moment, and uh, I'm very happy I discovered this band.
Yeah. It was great. I first I thought, okay, you know, classic Andreas.
Yeah, again, yeah,
You know, this 80s almost. We are
yeah.
always
I'm,
coming back to a little bit Sister of Mercy, which is my reference to some music from that time. But
yeah,
you
which
know,
I never play yet.
no, because everyone knows about it.
Yeah,
Uh, but then then he starts singing. I think, okay, classic, you know, a little bit dark. Oh. But then the
yeah,
chorus came, and he starting to sing a little lighter, and then it was then I really started to enjoy this because um, the, the chorus it always was great, but there it's started to sound a little bit
appealing.
different, you know, and
Yeah,
a little bit you know, something else than the usual.
yeah,
And
because the dark stuff can be very monotone and just go
yeah,
on
but
forever.
that's okay.
I
But
like
you
that
know,
too.
yeah,
But
but
this song actually has a chorus that opens up, and I really like it.
yeah, but it's kind of sad to say, but you know, I always liked goth music and dark music, but nowadays I'm kind of bored at singing like I'm trying to sound darker in my voice than I are.
Yeah,
Uh, you know, uh,
I know.
I'm trying to sound like Leonard Cohen, but I'm not. You know,
Yeah,
and
and will
and
never be.
that's kind of done. You know,
Yeah,
it's okay. It still sounds good, but when he started to sing, you know, with the lighter tones and combined it with his dark voice, I really started to enjoy that. And then when the sax,
saxophone.
that
That's
was just the.
unexpected.
Well, I saw the sax in the video, so I
Yeah,
just
me
wait for
too.
it.
But
But that really made it different from a good song to a really good song
yeah,
because
because
that
I
part
mean,
was perfect.
to me, I was shocked because I didn't see the video when I listened to the song
Okay,
the
yeah,
first time. It was just I found it on some playlist and then I listened to it
yeah,
and I really liked it and then I thought maybe they have a video and yeah they did and yeah the saxophone is very unusual in this kind of track but it's perfect.
yeah,
I really like it and then
yeah,
it's just a great pop song I think. Uh, yeah,
yeah. Yeah,
that's it.
it's a good it's a well like if you well it's
With
just
the
that
right
that the thing that it was a bit different that make it great. I think you know because
yeah
if not that part with the chorus and the saxophone, I really I would like it, but it's more easy to forget. But this time when if I gonna when I gonna see this again and I gonna edit the video and stuff like that, you know, look I gonna looking forward to this part more and more, you know, and but wait for it, and but now perfect, you know, that this is a perfect moment in a good song. So
yeah
I really enjoy that, and that really made that song stick out, and you know, from just good to great, and that's almost like progressive dark wave. I don't know if anything like that
Yeah,
exists,
well, yeah,
but it's
that's a good description. I mean, I have always a big problem to label
yeah, me
styles.
too. But
But yeah, that was good. Progressive dark wave. If you like, that's great.
yeah, no, but
So
it
that's
was
it.
just a good song. And Swedish band you said, and
Yeah, they're from Bromma,
okay,
Stockholm,
I never heard of them before.
and they have released 4 albums. No, I haven't heard of them either, but this is from the last album, and I am going to backtrack and listen to what they did before. I didn't have time yet, but I think there's going to be songs I like if they sound like this. So,
Well, even if it's close to this, so it's going to be good. Or at least it's going to be good, you know.
yeah,
um, well, great found. I and it's it's always cool when you find bound bands from around. You know, Broma is
yeah, and
kind of close to me.
it's like we talked about this before, but this country is so rich when it comes to uh, lots of bands, and it does. I mean, in every kind of style, and it's usually very good
Yeah,
songwriting and sound, and yeah,
yeah. Well, this seemed kind of popular. Well, uh, not the biggest, but at least 200 views on YouTube. It's not so bad for this kind of music from a small Swedish band.
no, I think that I credit this sub culture of
Yeah, but
electronic
you know,
music.
some sub stuff we have listened to have like 1,000 views or something like
Yeah,
that. You know,
yeah, I know.
and so this is kind of well, not huge, but you know, not super small either. So I'm looking forward to hear more of them because
Yeah, me too. And I'm also looking forward to new music from them because this was 3
2008, well, yeah,
yeah 3 years ago, four almost.
yeah.
So uh,
Were they still
probably
going? You know about it.
I hope so because
Mm.
they have released 4 albums since 2006. So it should be coming up a new one if they are still working together. I don't know, but I hope so.
Yeah, we hope so. And well, you have to backtrack them, and I hope you return to us with some more stuff from them in the future.
Yeah, I will.
Good. Okay.
Yeah,
See you. Bye.
yeah. See you. Bye.